Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3.
What's up, goodies? It's your girl Juliana. Welcome back to my channel. It is another day of vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogmas so far, okay? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. Today we're not in the kitchen really, but it is vlogmas, so you don't know, your girl can't skip a day. I am going to go outside, but I don't plan to bring my camera with me. Actually, I'm going into Walmart, but I want to make sure that I create some kind of a content for you guys. All right, so last night, you guys, wait, did I say like, share, subscribe? Like, share, subscribe, and all them good with something there. Now, last night I was having the worst food fetish, right? I was desperate in need of some seafood, a seafood boil. So let's just say last night about 9 o'clock, I would have come. About 9 o'clock, me get up and go out the door. And I went to Food Depot, and I went and got some shrimp, corn. What else did I pick up? They would have me pick up some imitation crab legs, but you know, because I never have the real thing, so I pick up something as seafood. I picked up some sausage, potatoes. What else did I pick up? Let's just say I got what I wanted to make my seafood boil. Now, by the time I was done, feeling cold and everything else outside, I was like, I'm not even going to put this on camera because I do have a lot of seafood boils on the channel. So, I am going to put that link, or one or two of the link them of the seafood boil recipe them in the description. Okay? Now, for this week, y'all, I am going to be making a rum cake. I have a lot of those already, but I want to make one updated one for the holiday. I feel like if I make it now, it's going to be finished in no time. I'm not going to wait until the holiday to eat it. But I want to make one specifically for the channel, an updated one. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so look out for that. And also, you guys, I want to make a sweet potato pudding too. I think I want to do that. Because I've been having the worst craves, okay? And I'm not pregnant either. I'm not pregnant, okay? But I be having some craves, y'all. I be having some serious craves. Like last night, I just had to have that seafood boil. I just had to have it. And so, I would say maybe about 10:30, I was eating seafood. I was eating seafood at 10:30. OMG, but it was well worth it. It was so damn good. And my husband already had some wings that he had bought. He had bought some wings from where? Popeye? Yeah, he had bought some wings from Popeye, and so he wasn't really hungry, but by the smell of my seafood boil, honey, husband was in the container. So I did have quite a bit to eat. I did put eggs to it too because I love a seafood boil with eggs in it. So I had that last night, and boy was it good. So today, Saturday, did I say happy Saturday? Happy Saturday, you guys. I almost forgot my manners. But I'm going to share with you guys my seafood boil because I'm going to eat some of that today. I have to run and pick up some lights for my tree in Walmart because I have an old tree that I'm using for Christmas, and I've been doing all kinds of things with this tree to bring it to life, and the tree is very ungrateful. Like some people, I know the tree ungrateful as hell. Okay, the brand new lights that I bought on Amazon, some of them gone already. Some of the tree ungrateful, like some people I know, so ungrateful. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. The tree ungrateful to the point where I did go to where I go last time. I went to, as cold as it was now, Mo go Big Lots and pick up some light and buy the wrong damn lights and put the wrong light in the box. But I believe myself still because I'm trying to open the box and look and see actually if it was white light because my Christmas tree is white. But yeah, my Christmas tree is beautiful, you guys. Let me show you what my tree looks like, okay? Because for some of you don't want come over to the channel Life of Jillian because y'all will be seeing what I be up to when I'm not cooking, okay? So let me show you. Alright, so this is my tree, y'all. Right, so my tree, you see, my tree is pretty nice. I think I did a very good job with this tree, even though the tree was so raggedy and shaggedy. I did a good job with the tree, but a couple of days ago, I realized that this part of the tree was not lighting up. It just was not lighting up, you guys. Let me plug in my tree and let y'all see. Oh, my tree ungrateful. You see, this part of the tree is light up. The bottom part, the middle part, but when it reach right here, so the tree not light up none at all. So the lights went out. I need everything to show. So I'm going to go out to Walmart and get some lights for the tree. Oh my goodness, ungrateful ass tree. But yeah, let me turn it off because it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense me leave it on right now. The tree I can fall. You know what I'm saying? Yes, y'all. So that's what we up to. I have not cooked anything today. Like I said, I had some really good food last night. Seafood boil. So there was no need for me to cook. We ain't cooking a damn thing today. So let me show you how it looks because that's gonna be dinner today. Okay, that's gonna be dinner today. So let me go ahead and set you guys up right here, so, and hopefully that my phone don't fall the hell off. You know what I mean? All right, so let's see what that looks like. Okay, because that's gonna be my dinner today. Now I had thought that my daughter was gonna come over because I called her last night and I told her that I made seafood boil. I did this. But one girl not show up because one girl said she tired from work. But I do understand though. But I thought she was going to show up today, but she still haven't showed up. So anyway, we just going to have more extra. So let me show you. Alright. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Let's open this baby up. Okay, y'all, look at that. I got shrimp, potatoes, corn, eggs. I do have sausage in there. I do have some of that, you know, crab legs, but the fake one. But it still tastes nice. So I'm going to be taking some of these babies out, put it into something and warming it up because this is going to be dinner today. Those potatoes, y'all, is so damn good. Or whatever. I don't think my husband is going to eat anymore. Who knows? Maybe I'm not choice coming out cook nothing. I ain't going to be cooking anything, y'all, because I do have leftovers for evermore. But I just may cook something fresh tomorrow or whatever. Okay, so that's going to be my dinner today. Yes, y'all. So let me go ahead and put this back for now. I'm gonna put this back for now because I want to run. I want to go to Walmart because if I eat this right now, I'm gonna be like literally like lazy. Oh, this is heavy, y'all. This is heavy. Okay, this is heavy as hell. Okay, so you see I have a lot of leftovers here. See, when I tell you guys that I don't cook like I used to, you guys probably be like, oh, she lying. Let me turn this around this way so you guys can see. All right, so all of this, y'all, is leftovers. I have leftovers in here. This is baked chicken. I have rice and peas in there. So I have candied yam in here. These are all leftovers. In the back, I have leftovers. That's curry chicken and dumpling. Listen, y'all, I'll be having a lot of leftovers in this refrigerator. I bought this the other day, like 2 days ago. This is a pizza, spinach, mushroom, pizza. rising crust. So we probably will eat that. I don't know, maybe later or whatever. But y'all, it's a lot of damn leftovers in here, okay? And I'm like, why even bother to cook? Why even bother to cook when you have so much leftover in the fridge? I tell you guys all the time, I don't cook like I used to because my husband don't eat like him used to. And me was never a heavy eater. So, and I'm not trying to get, you know what I mean? your girl on try to blow up, you know? So I be watching what I eat. Because you know when you get older and you gain that couple of pounds, you know what I mean? You know, it don't come off so easy. When you're running a carry on, but there, the weight, it'll sit on like dead weight, okay? So, I mean, I don't try to go the route there at all, okay? But y'all, I'm not gonna stay on here for too long. I just wanted to come on here really quickly and just give you guys, you know, a little quick video, whatever. To let you guys know that I hope that you are loving these vlogmas because, okay, can't cook every day. And for those of you that's been with me for a minute, y'all know, okay, y'all know that Juliana does not like the cold weather. So if I'm vlogging, I have to be outside to vlog sometimes. So my ass gonna have to be vlogging in here because I'm not going out there to do no damn vlogging. I mean, I want to go to Walmart right now, but I'm not even going to take up my camera. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But that's my life right now. It's just, it is what it is, y'all, okay? But at the end of the day, your girl is going to bring a vlogmas situationship on here every single day, okay? Every dang day. Like, period. Alright, tomorrow is Sunday, so hopefully I'll be cooking something. Maybe nothing heavy, but I'll be cooking a little something. So, whatever I'll be cooking, I probably could share one of those recipes with you. Something very simple. You know what I mean? But anywho's, my darling, we are all done with today's video. I hope that you did enjoy this one. Please do not hesitate to like, to share, to subscribe if you have not done so already. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Bring them come go there and send them come. Cause what? Cause me I wait. I want to get done doing all of that. Tell me when you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. I should even sell it because food's so expensive. But anyway, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy. Later.
Wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be.